What's up everybody, it's Joe here with Joseph Blake Photography, and in today's video we have the specs for the RS4 and RS4 Pro. Alright everybody, my name is Joe. This is my channel, Joseph Blake Photography, where we talk about gear and tech, and my microphone tries to eat my face, and where we talk about everything that has to do with creation and creators, the technology, the techniques, whether you're doing it on YouTube, social media, whether you're in marketing, whether you're just doing it on your own, or whether you're the video kid for your high school basketball team. This is the channel for you, so go ahead and please hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit like on this video if it's the kind of thing that you're into. It tells the algorithm that I'm doing a good job. And go ahead and hit the bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Okay, so on this channel I've talked about DJI products a lot. We talked about the Avata 2, we talked about the Mini 4 Pro, we talked about will there be another Mavic? We talked about the Matrice and the dock, right? There's been a lot of DJI stuff recently. But obviously the drone stuff gets a lot of attention, but drones are probably gonna get banned here in the United States, or at least DJI drones will, to some degree. But DJI makes a lot of other stuff. And one of the things that they make that I absolutely love are their gimbals. So last week I did an update where we were going to be getting, where I said we're going to be getting the RS4 and the RS4 Pro to update from the current RS3 and RS3 Pro. Huge discounts also on the combos for those gimbals. Links down in the description. A couple people bought those off those links, so thank you so much from last week. That does help me out, and that does help the channel out a little bit, so I really appreciate the folks who did that. But I'm still rocking this first gen Ronin, the ronnin-s. I love this thing. So the ronnin-s, the Ronin S2, the Ronin S3 Pro, there's big discounts on those and on the combos, and I've got links down in the description for those. But we also have the RS4 and the RS4 Pro coming, which is super exciting. But now we have the specs. Last week we talked about the fact that it was coming and the price cuts on these other gimbals, which is how we know that it's coming. But now we also have the specifics and what to expect from a spec standpoint. So let's go ahead and run through that, and I'll go ahead and put the items up on the board. So first we have Generation 2 vertical scanning. I don't know what that means. Can somebody in the comments tell me what that means? Does that mean just that vertical is better? Like vertical scanning back and forth is better? This is off, by the way. That's why it's stop it. I'm gonna put this in. Okay. So tell me down in the comments what vertical scanning is. I don't know what that is. As well as extended tilt axis, so more movement. Surprise, surprise, on the 4th generation of the RS, we have an improved 4th generation algorithm for stabilization. That kind of makes sense. It's got Bluetooth control, it's got support for DJI focus integration, and it has 29 hours of operation time. Fantastic. But here's the stat, here's the spec that I'm seeing that I think is very interesting. LiDAR support. Now, as DJI has a LiDAR attachment that you can add to your RS3, RS3 Pro to add LiDAR for super low light environments for accurate focus pulling, but I wonder if this means that it's going to be built into the gimbal. Is it crazy that I'm thinking that? So I don't shoot a lot with manual lenses. I do shoot in really dark environments though, and having the ability to have LiDAR to help pull us or assist with focus would be huge. That would be super cool. We also have pricing. Pricing looks to be about $785 for the RS, that's in the combo, and about $900 to $1,000 for the RS4 Pro. So pretty much just right in line with what we're seeing as the normal prices for the RS3 and the RS3 Pro and the subsequent combos. But again, there are huge discounts on those right now because they're getting rid of inventory. So if you're in the market and you want to save a couple bucks or get the higher end model at the lower price, links down in the description for those. We also have a teaser image that is letting us know that we should expect this guy on April 9th, which means it's coming before the Avata drone. And it is called the Focus on the Vision event, and that is likely where we'll be getting these gimbals. Interesting that they're saying focus on the vision. Sounds like LiDAR is going to be a huge component of this announcement. I'm super excited to see it. That's really fun. I will be watching right along with you guys, and then we're going to talk about it next week. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, go and hit the bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And go and hit like on this video if it's the kind of thing that you're into. Again, RS4 Pro coming next week, and the RS3 and RS3 Pro and the RS2 combo are discounted. Check the links down in the description. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.